Cricket is a religion in our country. The passion about cricket in India is unmatched. I also love cricket. Cricket is my first love. IPL is one event which triggers love for cricket again and again. It is the IPL which has enabled us to see Virat Kohli and AB Deviliers together batting. Bumrah bowling to MS Dhoni. Rohit hitting sixes to Shami. IPL is crazy. Yes, this year IPL ended with many records, and we all saw Dhoni lifting the cup for the fifth time. In the last 6-7 weeks, we learned a lot from IPL and cricket. We listed top 5 learnings from IPL. I will also connect these learnings to our job or work life and bring clarity on how you can implement these learnings into your work life. Let's jump in the episode. Hello everyone, this is Rakesh, your coach, author, speaker, and career transformation expert. Welcome to my podcast, Let's Talk Clarity. Let's Talk Clarity, in which we discuss about career transformation, productivity, and life fulfillment. Let's start the episode and talk clarity. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk Clarity podcast. Please feel free to visit my website rakeshmathuria.com for any career guidance, office productivity, time management, and how to get life fulfillment while doing a job. Fix a clarity call. The link is there in the description of this episode. Let's come back to today's topic of IPL or cricket. Like I said, cricket is my first love. I started my cricket journey from school and cricket became my identity. I used to hit those boys maximum runs who used to bully me in school. That was my reply to them on cricket field. During 10th board, I stopped playing cricket and then it got reduced day by day. But cricket is my first identity. So even if I'm too busy, I take out time for cricket. And this year, I watched many IPL matches and learned a lot from the whole event. So I thought, let's list out and share in an episode about top 5 learnings from IPL. Let's begin with the first one. Captain Cool is the number one learning. We all wanted him to lift the IPL trophy, and he delivered. MS Dhoni is one of the greats. Even Sunil Gavaskar took his autograph. The learning is always be cool, calm, and composed. Whatever the situation, be cool like Dhoni. Don't allow the situations, circumstances, or winning or losing a game affect your mental peace. Always be in peace. That's the whole point of this life. Always be in peace. If something happens or if you are in difficult condition, remember Dhoni and that ODI World Cup Final 6. Earlier in podcast episode, I shared this one study which says that 96% of the things we worry never happen. Yes, they never happen. And balance 4% things which happen are not as bad as we think they are. Hence, always be calm and composed like Dhoni and take it easy. This learning we can use in our office work. Be calm and composed. Try to be like Dhoni whenever there is a difficult customer, client, or vendor. Be calm and composed. Even if your marketing plan has failed, be cool. When there is a tough period in your office, be like Dhoni and make strategy and things will improve. And remember, most of the things we worry about never happen. Let's move to second learning. Second learning is about Ajinkya Rahane. Wow, what a transformation he had. He changed his batting style for IPL and T20. Actually, he is considered as test player or ODI player. In this IPL, his batting strike rate is like top T20 batsman in the world. What a transformation. Now, let's understand how we can transform our career and how we can learn from it. If you think you are not good in sales or marketing, if you think you are not good at presentation or public speaking, think again. Understand where these beliefs are coming from and try to learn these things. Just like Ajinkya Rahane. Convert your department from test to T20 or operations to HR or R&D to marketing if needed. The point is try before saying no to anything in life. Yes, try before saying no to anything in life. Let's move to the next learning. Third learning. Whenever you are down and out, make a comeback like Mohit Sharma. What a comeback from last year IPL net practice bowler to main bowler of Gujarat Titans and picking up 27 wickets in this season. Just second to Shami with 28 wickets. That's a crazy comeback from net practice bowler to main bowler. However, before this, his earlier stint in international cricket was in 2015 ODI World Cup when Ishant Sharma was injured and Mohit Sharma played the World Cup and did decent work. However, after that, he was out of limelight. After 8 years, he is second best wicket taker in IPL. What a comeback. I truly salute Mohit Sharma. Apart from the last 2 balls of IPL final, he was impeccable with the ball, just giving 3 runs in 4 balls in the final over. In the same way, we can also make a comeback in our career, learn some new skills and work on ourselves and come back stronger. Whenever we are down and out in our office, be quiet, learn new skills and make a comeback. Don't think if 1 year or 2 years you did not perform well. Come back again, 3rd year or 5th year and storm everyone or surprise everyone with your performance. Now coming to 4th learning. If I name one player name, you will understand what I am talking about. Rinku Singh. What an amazing player he is. It is just out of the world how he hit those 5 sixes when 29 runs were needed in last 5 balls. He was calm. He was unfazed by the big target. He was just concentrating on next ball and hitting with timing. After that game, he scored good scores for his team and almost get them through to playoffs. He hit 4 half century with good strike rate. He is a true champion with bright future ahead. Yes. However, don't forget from where he is coming. He is coming from such a humble background, but nothing could stop his passion for the game. His enthusiasm for the game never reduced. So don't think from where you have started your journey. You can become successful and you can reach to any heights. In the same way, never think you are from normal engineering college. You are not from IITs or IIM, or you are from a small town or normal graduation degree. Just work on your passion with lots of enthusiasm and you can reach any heights. Don't underestimate yourselves. Here, let me explain this point further. In this world, it is always about self-belief. If you think you can do something or you cannot, in both cases, you are right. You can do it. Just believe in self. This is the core mantra for life. Always believe in self, like Rinku Singh. Let's move to the 5th and last learning. There is one incident for which nobody is proud of. From the match between Lucknow and Bangalore, RCB, the infamous Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir spat. I don't want to discuss the incident or dig it to who was right or wrong. I just want to clear that this conflict was started long back in IPL, maybe 10 years back. And on that day, yes, on that same day, both of them could have closed the chapter and understand that in the heat of game, sometimes things happen, but don't take them to the heart and close the fight the same day or next day. Don't sleep with issue for more than 2 nights. In the same way, in any relationship, in family or friends, or in office relationship with boss or peers or subordinate, don't take the conflict to your heart. Bury it in a day. When you are having fight with your spouse, don't take it to the next level. Bury it same day. If you are having any argument with boss, bury it the same day or next day. Just talk it out and finish it off. Don't stretch the conflict for so long, 10 years. Close it, discuss it as fast as possible. Even if you are right, still discuss and bury the conflict. Here, I want to say that life is too short to have these negative feelings. So those were 5 learning from this IPL. Let me repeat these 5 learnings again. Number 1, whatever the circumstances, always be cool, calm and composed like Dhoni. Number 2, for career transformations, remember Ajinkya Rahane. Move from Test to T20 if needed. The third one, make a comeback. Learn some new skills. Be like Mohit Sharma, from net practice bowler to leading wicket taker in IPL. The fourth one, your past does not equal the future. You can transform your life just like Rinku Singh. And remember to fight till the last ball. The fifth one, don't sleep with conflict. Talk it out, discuss, and finish it off. This is clarity of 5 learnings from IPL. However, let me share one bonus learning from IPL. Yes, the bonus learning. Don't be disheartened by the loss. Stand and show up, even if you are not winning. Virat Kohli has not won IPL trophy, but his passion for the game does not reduce. So when you are doing something, don't think of winning it. Or even if you are not winning, keep playing the game. The show must go on. Without IPL trophy, the shine of Kohli will not reduce. He will always shine like a legend in Indian cricket. No, of world cricket. Yes. So if you are not getting the raise or promotion, don't be disheartened and continue the journey. Perform to the fullest. The time will reward you. That was the end of the podcast. Please feel free to reach out to me for any career advice, career transformation, time management or productivity, and life fulfillment questions. I will be happy to guide you in this journey of career transformation. Thank you for listening to Let's Talk Clarity with Rakesh. Please subscribe or follow this podcast on your preferred platform so that you don't miss any important episodes. Have clarity, listen clarity, and let's talk clarity. Let's talk clarity.